Are you ready to do line 2? So line 2 is a little bit more, I wouldn't say difficult, but counterintuitive, because the very first note starts up bow. So if you were starting exclusively on that second line, well, you would have to remember to start the bow up bow. And the good news is that the first measure has the same notes as, the first measure of the second line has the same notes as the first measure of the first line, with one small difference. The rhythm is different. So it goes E, 2, 2, 2. Now guess what? They have not written the numbers of the fingers on the music. So I'm going to kind of give you a little cheat sheet here, but you can write this in your music if you need to, but see if you don't, because if you don't have to, then you learn it faster. E, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. Those are the first two bars. Let's do it again. E, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. You can do this on your violin without your bow. You can just practice the fingers in your left hand. E, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1. Now the next two bars, they give you some fingerings, at least for the first of the two. And it's a little bit more complicated, because now we're crossing strings, and we're going to the E string, and then we're going back to the A string. So it goes like this: A, 2, E, E, 2, 2, 2. So it goes A, 2, E, E, 2, 2, 2. Remembering, again, that you're only on the E string for the open E strings. You're not on the E string for any other notes in this entire line. So there's nothing at all that you need to worry about with your fingers on the E string. So let's play that second line. Remember, up bow. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, let's do first the A1, 2. Good. On the string, E string, up bow, 1, 2, ready, go. So let's do it again. I want to just count it out for you first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So do you remember? Quarter notes get 1 beat, half notes get 2 beats. Let's do it again. And 4 beats in a measure. So bow on the string. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, another 3 times. Bow on the string. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, another 2 times. Bow on the string. 1, 2, ready, go. Last time. Bow on the string. 1, 2, ready, go. Now your job is to put it all together, the first line and the second line. And just for the sake of understanding the rhythm again, let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it. Bow on the string. 1, 2. Now we're going to start down bow because we're starting from the beginning and we're doing 2 lines. Let's do those 2 lines twice. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, let's do it one more time. And now get your second finger prepared. So A1, 2, just to make sure you're still in the right place. From the beginning, 1, 2, on the string. that goes.